What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today is going to be such a different video, you guys. I'm so excited though because it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and if anyone truly knows me, knows that 8 a.m. is a big deal. I don't wake up till like 12 every day. So, big deal. We're up at 8 a.m. getting a lot of stuff done. My dad is in town. If you guys don't know, he lives very far from me. He visits about once a year, and we try to get a lot of stuff done when we're together. We love projects, we love doing things. So right now we are actually going to, hi Mel.
Hi.
But right now we are about to go ahead and build our front porch.
I like turtles.
So I don't know how long it would really take. I think it only might take us like 3 days or so. Plan on getting some landscaping done, so like some laying down some mulch, planting some new flowers, stuff like that. So I'm really excited to see how it's going to turn out, and yeah. So I thought just to take you guys with us and just show you what we're going to be doing for our little house projects, and yeah, keep on watching.
You don't have my permission to record me. I want to turn.
Getting to work for the very first time. There's Macy butt. Macy. Come here.
112 and a half.
Hi, Macy.
Just a quarter of an inch.
Yes, hiya. Good boy. Doing Macy butt. Macy, lay down.
I had to like fold it once you fold it. Yeah.
Hang out in the shade, mamas. Where are they going, Macy? Where are they going? Go.
Yeah, once I sink the board in.
Come on. Inside.
Shout out to Nate, he wants to see it.
Okay. ready to lay down some tarp and some mulch, plant some new flowers. Got the railing here for the side of the porch. It's gonna go on this side. Progress.
Macy! Oh, maybe give it your cat. Got some dog treats.
Where's Edwin's drill bits inside?
I have no idea.
Do you know if Edwin brought his drill inside, or is it out in the garage?
It's probably still,
Out in the garage?
or in his truck.
It's in, oh yeah.
I think it's in the garage on the
These are the
bench.
same bits for the.
It might be in the garage. I don't know. Does she really need this as Weight Watchers?
I think it's probably less calories or something. She has been trying to lose weight.
Do you want me to leave it out?
Yeah, I'll probably do smokies. Super good. Oh, hey, man.
Well, that was smart.
Let's sit on that.
Sit on it. Yeah, much, much better. I felt like it was gonna break this when I sat in it. Piece of this pie here. It's a Reese's peanut butter cup pie, right? And it did have a little bit of a root beer float, but
That's from Grandma.
it's vacation time, right? Majority of the porch is done, and it looks amazing. Like, I can't even describe to you how good it looks. The chair is not going to be there. We were just having people sitting out here while we were finishing up, but we thought about covering the stairs more so animals don't try to live under here. Need to get some stair railing, and then tomorrow or the next day, I don't remember what day we're going to do it, but we are going to finish this landscaping, so remove all the rock, and then I was going to put down some mulch with some new flowers, like some hostas and some colorful flowers, stuff like that. So we have this side, and then we also have this side, which this side is pretty much already dug up of all the rock. We just need to get this little bit left over here, and then this little guy over here too. But lots of landscaping to do, but the porch is done, and it is amazing. So Dad, if you're watching this is freaking beautiful. I thank you so, so much. I seriously could not have done it without you, and I'm just so proud of us, and it just looks so, so good. He literally knows how to do anything and everything, and yeah. Drink out of the side of your
Yes,
mouth.
out of the side of his mouth.
I want to watch you drink now.
Yeah, try to watch him when he's not licking. When he...
Take a sip, Dad. And then people are all touching all over him, and then touching the face and touching everything else. Just like gloves when they wear gloves, and you're cross-contaminating everything, and they're freaking... I saw this girl eating a sandwich with gloves on.
Let's talk about washing your chicken.
No.
There is really no point in wearing gloves unless you because you're touching everything,
Right.
and you're touching. So unless you use what you're gonna do what you're gonna do with them on,
And then take
throw
them off.
away.
Just like at the hospital, if we touch one patient, we remove those gloves and put a new set on for the next patient or whatever. But these people, they're going in the stores and wearing gloves, digging in their purse, touching the cart, touching their face, fixing their hat,
Getting their phone.
touching their phone, grabbing their keys.
There's no point. You might as well not even have any on.
Right, you might as well just wash your hands. How about we zoom in on that face
Hey, let me ask you a quick question.
and those non-muscular arms too.
It'll take Jersey up.
Yep.
Alright. Got your Sam's Club card?
Yep, I'm about to grab it out
Flash
right
it.
now.
And keep walking.
Did you do the last time we were here
Yeah.
too? Probably look at their plants and stuff. They're pretty.
$13.99.
That's the one I have. It's $14. And there
I wonder how
is
it's compared to Zentex.
Zyrtec. It's pretty much the same thing. And there's almost 400 of them for $14. That's the one I bought.
Really?
Yeah. Right here. It's comfy too.
Push back too far.
No, it's perfect.
No.
No, it's perfect.
No.
Yes, it is.
Ain't perfect for no $1,000. Ooh.
Maybe help your produce last longer. So like if you get grapes or whatever, you can put them in here. Or like I put like carrots or whatever in these. They're really nice for $25. There we go.
Almond milk.
Oh my god!